YouTube.
Good morning, YouTube.
Say good morning.
Good morning, YouTube.
Say hello. Say thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Martinez.
Thank you, Mrs. and Mrs. Martinez.
Say Mr. and Mrs. Martinez. Martinez.
Martinez.
Yep. Hey, what's going on, everybody? You know who it is, JJ. Once again, we're back at it with another video. At the house today. It would have been at the office, but here in Oklahoma, we've been experiencing some blackouts. So rather be at home than at the lot. The weather's getting bad, a lot of ice and stuff on there, ice on all the trees and stuff. So having blackout issues every here and now and again. So couldn't really go to the office to get any work done if I wanted to, because especially in the area where my lot is, it was a lot of blackouts. So we're going to be at the house. We're going to get in here in Copart. We're going to probably look in here at Miami, D.C., and Detroit on these Copart auctions. I like to look at Florida because I know they have a lot of, they should have, I just always assume that they should have a lot of nice vehicles. So let's hop into it. There we go. We got it. Where we at? We're in Detroit. What we got right there? The Florida Flood Damage 2019 Infinity at $10,000. Look at the pictures.
Sold on approval.
Sold on approval. So what we got right there? Jay, come here.
New bidder.
Y'all want to look at cars?
No.
Y'all don't want to look at cars?
Yeah.
Come here then, Jay.
I want to pick this one car.
You want to pick this one? You gotta wait till it come in the lane.
Come here. He's
Yeah.
come over here.
Yeah, sit over here.
He's come over here.
Say hi, YouTube.
He's there.
Say hi, YouTube.
New bidder.
You don't want to say hi today?
Hi, YouTube.
You already said hi once before. Y'all want to say hi again? Y'all want to look at the cars? What y'all think? Y'all like this car right here?
Yeah, I don't like this car. I like your white car. I want a blue one.
You don't like the white car? You want a blue car?
Yeah.
Well, we gotta wait till the blue car comes. Hold on.
What color? Your blue car's already come over. Dad.
That's a blue car. You like that blue car?
Yeah, you come over. He's come over.
That one's all beat up, Jay.
That's what the car?
Yeah, that one's all dirty. That's the blue car you like?
Nope.
You don't like that type of blue
I
car?
tried white car. Hey.
Hold on, let's hop into somewhere else.
Okay. Daddy, I want my YouTube back.
I'll let you get back on the computer after I'm finished. Can we look at a couple more cars first? Hold on.
That's it. Hush. Who did that?
Stop.
I did it. I said for a car, Dad.
Okay. I'm about to find us some more cars. Hold on. You got us.
Daddy, want to go to my mommy.
Well, go to your mommy. You can go to your mommy.
Daddy.
What you think? You like this car?
Yeah. It's yours?
Nope, it's not mine. What you think of this car?
It's yours?
Nope, and it's at the auction. We're looking at the auction. We're going to teach you about some cars. You want to learn about cars?
That's your white car.
No, it's not a white car. What color car is this?
Gray? A black.
Yeah, it's a black car. Say Chevy Malibu.
New bidder.
Chevy
Participation
Malibu.
in the lane.
Yep, that's what it is. The Chevy Malibu, 2013. 2013 Chevy Malibu. Yep, let's see. It's got some body damage right there. It needs a fender, a headlight, a bumper. Got some damage to the back bumper as well.
Sold on approval.
See, they sold it on approval. You know what that means? What does it mean? What does it mean? Sold on approval means they gotta wait for the seller to take the offer. Right? They gotta wait for the seller to take the offer. Let's hop in this one. What auction you want me to go to? Which one of these ones? Pick one of these in the green.
What? This?
You want this one?
Yeah.
Let's click in there. Probably almost over.
What's that?
It's the cars that went through the auction.
I don't like this.
Let's go to one more. Let's go joins. See. We can see if we can join this one.
Car.
Yeah, we can join this one. It's in Raleigh, North Carolina.
What's that?
That's a boat.
Oh.
What you think? Think we should get a boat? What are we gonna do with a boat here in Oklahoma?
27?
Yeah, it's 2,700. It's a 2006 boat. We don't need to look at no boats.
Should I say 27?
You want to see a boat?
This is a hot lot.
There's a boat right there.
About?
Yep, it's a boat.
Okay. Daddy,
Yes.
where's he going?
We're going in there in the front room.
Okay, too.
It's a boat. You want to go in the front room? Yeah.
You done?
No, I'm not done. I'm gonna finish here, stay here and do some work. Say bye, YouTube.
Thank you, too.
Let's hop in somewhere else right quick. Hop right in here. There we go. We'll finish out with this. We'll finish out a couple minutes on these cars. This is a wholesale car. These are like bank repos and stuff like that. See, drive wholesale auction. These are a lot of bank repos and stuff like that. So a lot of these cars run and drive, they were just repos. So they just have like normal wear and tear. 2014 Nissan Versa. See what it goes for.
High participation in the lane.
Damage don't look too bad. Just look like a repo. $2,000, that's not bad. What's the miles? 80,000.
Sold.
Sold for, man, that's a good deal. $2,000 for a 2014 Nissan Versa with 80,000 miles just for the repo. A fleet lease, normal wear and tear, runs and drives. 2008 F-150, single cab. Look like an electrician truck. Let's see.
Bonus time.
Camera not the brightest.
Sold.
Sold for $2,500, $2,550.
New bidder.
Just the light right there. 2016 Ford Focus, 89,000
This is a
miles.
hot lot.
Runs and drives. Not bad. These wholesale cars ain't too bad. 2016.
New bidder. New bidder.
Let's see. Just keep bidding and keep bidding.
Bonus time.
I give them bonus sign. I said just sold the car. Y'all getting $4,000 for this 2016 Ford Focus SC. It don't look like nobody really want to go over $4,000, so
Sold on approval.
sold on call. Let's see, what is this? 2013 Honda Civic, natural gas, CNG. Let's see what the pictures look like on it.
New bidder.
Normal wear, secondary damage history.
This is a hot lot.
So doesn't really show any damage on it. But I can see any bad damages. Somebody in Honduras trying to buy it. Honduras. It's not really bad. $96,000, 2013 Honda Civic, fleet lease, runs and drives. What is it? Huh? You want a honey? Go sit down, Jerry. I'll be there in a second. Oh man. Keep bidding. Keep going.
Bonus
I
time.
can't give a bonus time. Just let it go. That's the only thing about Copart.
Sold.
3,300. Yep. So I'm done with my video. Say hi and bye.
Bye.
You acting shy. Yeah, so done with my video. Man, I don't mind doing these Copart videos. Only thing about doing when I do a Copart video is that, like, y'all see the bid time. Like, people just stay bidding, and they'll always wait to the last second to place a bid. They don't just bid just to keep bidding. It's just always waiting to the last second to throw a bid in. Like, they know the timer's not going to reset. So, yeah, so man, I might have to start looking and buying some more Copart vehicles, especially the ones that come from the wholesale auction. Not the ones that's wrecked from Copart. I wouldn't buy. Me personally, I wouldn't buy a wrecked car from Copart because the fees are just so high. It really, I mean, I would. It just, I mean, honestly, it really just depends on the price of what I get it for, because they have really high fees. And if you want to sign up with Copart, you can sign up even if you're not a dealer. You know, public can sign up. Anybody can sign up with Copart. It's just the more money you get them to hold, the higher that your bidding power goes up. So that's all it is. Like, you know, you give them, I think it's like $200 to sign up, and your buying power is like 1,000 to. But once you buy a car, your buying power goes up as well. Or, and like, so that's the two ways you get your buying power up with Copart. Either you first buy your first car, and then you sell, and then you buy and pay that first one off, and then they'll raise it up. Or you just, the more money you let them hold, the higher they give you a buying power. So yeah, in the house at the moment, you know, these little blackouts happening every now and again. So be at the auction tomorrow. They're gonna start a little bit later than usual. So the weather's still bad, so I'll maybe just do a live tomorrow at the auction. So if you guys have any questions, just have them ready or just be waiting for it. It'll probably be around 10 or 11 Central Time tomorrow that I'll probably go live at the auction. So just let me know in the comments below. And also, if there's any other places on Copart that you guys might want to see that I wasn't able to touch today, I just trying to get just in the house, trying to get as much work done as possible while managing the kids and everything. So if there's any Copart you guys really want to see, just let me know. And let me know also in the comments below if there's any car that you guys just want to see tomorrow at the auction. And I'll probably go live. I have to be 100% sure, but I'm possibly. So if you haven't already, like this video. If you don't comment as much, just drop a thumbs up and just greatly appreciate it. Share this video if you can. Appreciate you guys. I'm out. Peace.